The National Highways Authority of India (NHAI) serves as the primary agency under the Ministry of Road Transport and Highways, which is responsible for the development and maintenance of national highways. These highways are the backbone of India's road network, ensuring seamless connectivity between cities, towns, and villages. They play a source of transportation of people and goods, which is essential for economic growth. National highways contribute to national security by supporting military logistics and strategic mobility across the country. National Highway National highways are approximately 2.7% of India's total road network and play an important role in facilitating the movement of people and goods across the country. The establishment of National Highways Authority of India (NHAI) Act laid the foundation for the development and management of these highways. India has one of the most extensive road networks globally, ranking as the second largest in the world. Some of the major national highways in India include NH 65, NH 147, NH 41, and NH 138. National Highways Authority of India functions. The National Highways Authority of India Act (NHAI) Act was formed by the Indian Parliament in 1988 after passing the law to establish the NHAI as an autonomous body responsible for the development, maintenance, and management of the country's national highways. This legislation grants NHAI the authority to administer the construction, operation, and upkeep of highways while also regulating traffic on these roads. Key provisions of the NHAI Act include establishing NHAI as an independent body to manage the national highways network, granting powers to construct, operate, and maintain national highways, enabling funding for highway projects through loans, grants, and bonds, creating the National Highways Fund to finance infrastructure development, authorizing NHAI to acquire, manage, and dispose of property along with entering contracts and agreements, regulating and managing traffic on national highways, empowering NHAI to impose and collect tolls and fees, setting up a National Highways Tribunal to address disputes related to national highways. National Highway Authority of India achievements. Sanction projects. In August 2024, the Cabinet Committee on Economic Affairs approved multiple highway projects to enhance connectivity across the country. These include Agra-Gwalior Highway 6-lane expansion, Kharagpur-Moregram Highway 4-lane expansion, Tharadisa-Mehsana-Ahmedabad Highway 6-lane expansion. Foundation stone laying. In February 2024, key infrastructure projects saw their foundation stones laid, including Dudhan Elevated Flyover on NH 34, Kotdwar Bypass on NH 534, Bhaniawala Dehradun to Rishikesh section of NH 007 4-lane expansion. Budget allocation. For the financial year 24-25, the Union Budget allocated Rs 1.68 lakh crore to the National Highways Authority of India to accelerate highway development, highway upgradation focus. The government has directed NHAI to prioritize upgrading existing highways to improve road quality and efficiency. NHAI and the National Highways and Infrastructure Development Corporation are leading highway and expressway construction efforts in India. Major achievements of NHAI. The National Highways Authority of India has accomplished several milestones, including constructing over 14,000 km of national highways across India, implementing electronic toll collection (ETC) systems to reduce congestion, rolling out the FASTag program for cashless toll payments, launching the Bharatmala Pariyojana to enhance connectivity and infrastructure, promoting green highways for integrating eco-friendly construction practices, adopting advanced technologies like drones, GPS, and 3D mapping for efficient project execution, strengthening road safety measures through crash barriers, traffic signals, and speed limit enforcement. National Highway Authority of India Chairman Sri Santosh Kumar Yadav, a senior Indian Administrative Service (IAS) officer from the 1995 batch of the Uttar Pradesh cadre, took charge as the chairperson of the National Highway Authority of India in December 2022. Current status of total length of highways. As of 2024, India has an extensive national highway network spanning approximately 150,000 km. The National Highways Authority of India (NHAI) is responsible for the development, maintenance, and management of these highways, which play a crucial role in the country's road transport system. List of national highways in India. The table below provides a list of national highways in India, including their old and new numbering along with the Indian states and union territories.